Imagine a 24/7 financial advisor. No fees, no judgment, just smart, personalized money coaching at your fingertips. In 2025, AI-powered finance tutors are making wealth building faster, smarter, and accessible to everyone. No more waiting for appointments or awkward chats about your spending habits. This is like having a cheat code for your finances AI that works around the clock to help you grow your money. Forget expensive advisors and confusing online tips. AI tutors automate your savings, predict market trends, and give you tailored advice, sometimes even for free. The era of financial advice only for the wealthy is over. These tools are democratizing financial literacy for everyone. Ready to take control? Here are the top AI finance tutors changing the game in 2025. All right, let's dive into the world of smart finance, where technology meets your wallet. First up, we have WealthGenius AI, a revolutionary tool designed to transform the way you manage your money. Get ready to say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a future of clarity and control. It's your all-in-one budgeting and bill-cutting assistant, a digital companion that works tirelessly to optimize your financial life. Think of it as having a personal financial advisor in your pocket, available 24/7 to guide you towards your goals. It all starts with seamless integration. WealthGenius AI connects to your accounts securely and effortlessly, providing a comprehensive view of your financial landscape. No more juggling multiple apps or spreadsheets. Everything you need is right here. Once connected, it meticulously tracks every dollar, every transaction, giving you unparalleled insight into where your money is going. This level of detail is crucial for understanding your spending habits and identifying areas for improvement. And the best part? It automatically categorizes your spending, eliminating the tedious task of manual entry. Groceries, entertainment, utilities, everything is neatly organized, providing a clear picture of your spending patterns. Say goodbye to manual entry and those forgotten subscriptions that drain your bank account each month. WealthGenius AI keeps track of all your recurring payments, ensuring you're never paying for something you don't use. The real magic? This is where WealthGenius AI truly shines, going beyond simple tracking to provide actionable insights. It spots patterns and leaks in your finances, identifying areas where you might be overspending or wasting money. Think of it as a financial detective, uncovering hidden opportunities to save. It proactively flags overspending before it becomes a problem, sending you timely alerts to help you stay on track. No more end-of-month surprises. You'll always be in control of your finances. Based on your unique financial situation and goals, WealthGenius AI builds a custom budget tailored specifically for you. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a personalized plan designed to help you achieve your dreams. It takes into account your real habits and goals, ensuring that your budget is realistic and sustainable. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house, planning a dream vacation, or simply trying to get out of debt, WealthGenius AI can help you get there. And because life is constantly changing, your budget needs to be flexible. WealthGenius AI adjusts as your life changes, adapting to new income, expenses, and goals. Finding yourself overspending on takeout? We've all been there. WealthGenius AI will suggest realistic swaps, like cooking at home more often, or reallocate funds from other categories to keep you on track. It provides practical solutions, not just restrictions. The result? A budget that actually works for you, helping you achieve your financial goals without feeling deprived. It's about making smart choices, not sacrificing everything you enjoy. And here's the kicker, the feature that truly sets WealthGenius AI apart. Beyond budgeting, it can negotiate your bills, cable, internet, phone, automatically seeking out lower rates and better deals. It uses the power of AI to find savings and even contact providers for you, handling the often frustrating process of negotiation. Imagine saving hundreds a year, automatically, without lifting a finger. That's the power of WealthGenius AI. It continuously monitors for price hikes and renegotiates when needed, ensuring you're always getting the best possible rate. With WealthGenius AI, you never overpay, guaranteeing you are always getting the best deal possible. No more tedious calls or missed deals, no more spending hours on the phone with customer service representatives. It's just automated savings, working silently in the background to boost your financial well-being. WealthGenius AI turns budgeting from a chore, a dreaded task, into a smart, effortless system that empowers you to take control of your finances. That's real financial empowerment, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to build a brighter future. Next, meet InvestoBot, your AI stock market mentor and autopilot. Investing can be intimidating, but InvestoBot breaks it down with interactive lessons, real-world examples, and easy-to-understand strategies. Learn the basics, test your skills with risk-free simulated trading, and build confidence before investing real money. Once you're ready, InvestoBot auto-invests for you, building a diversified portfolio tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. It handles rebalancing and tax strategies so you can focus on the long term. No more emotional investing. AI sticks to your plan, even when markets get rocky. Whether you're a beginner or leveling up, InvestoBot makes smart investing accessible and stress-free. It's like having a patient professor and a disciplined portfolio manager all in one. Consistent, methodical investing on autopilot. That's how you build wealth for the future. Are you feeling the weight of mounting debt? Do those bills seem endless and the interest rates just keep climbing? DebtDestroyer AI is your digital debt coach, designed to guide you towards financial freedom. It's like having a financial expert in your pocket, available 24/7. It analyzes all your loans, from credit cards and student loans to mortgages and personal debts. It takes a comprehensive look at your financial landscape, then creates a personalized payoff plan, tailored specifically to your unique financial situation and goals. No more generic advice, just a strategy that works for you. Snowball, starting with your smallest debts to build momentum and motivation. Avalanche, tackling high-interest debts first to save you money in the long run. Or a hybrid, combining the best of both worlds to optimize your debt payoff journey. Showing you exactly how to get debt-free, faster, with a clear timeline and achievable milestones. Visualize your progress with easy-to-understand charts and graphs that track your debt reduction in real time. See your debt-free date, marked on a calendar, providing a tangible goal to strive for. And get motivated with every milestone, celebrating your successes along the way to keep you engaged and on track. DebtDestroyer finds ways to hack your interest rates, uncovering hidden opportunities to save you money. Identifying balance transfers that can significantly reduce your interest payments. Consolidation options, simplifying your payments and potentially lowering your overall interest rate. And even scripts for negotiating with creditors, empowering you to take control of your debt and potentially lower your payments. It keeps you accountable with reminders, ensuring you never miss a payment and stay on track with your debt payoff plan. Automatic extra payments whenever possible to accelerate your debt payoff and save you even more money on interest. And progress tracking, providing a clear overview of your debt payoff journey and celebrating your achievements along the way. The AI adapts your plan if your budget changes or you get a windfall, ensuring your debt payoff strategy remains optimized and effective. Always optimizing for the fastest payoff, leveraging advanced algorithms to find the most efficient path to debt freedom. No more spreadsheets or guesswork. DebtDestroyer simplifies the entire process, eliminating the need for complicated calculations and manual tracking. Just a clear, actionable roadmap, providing a step-by-step guide to achieving your debt-free goals. It's like having a personal trainer for your finances, providing ongoing support and guidance to help you stay motivated and on track, focused on crushing debt and empowering you to achieve financial freedom. Regain control of your finances and your future. Reduce stress and experience the peace of mind that comes with being debt-free. And watch your financial freedom get closer every month as you make progress towards your goals. DebtDestroyer turns debt payoff from overwhelming and confusing to achievable and empowering, giving you the tools and support you need to succeed. Nobody likes taxes. The mere mention of the word can send shivers down your spine. The endless forms, the confusing jargon, the constant worry about making a mistake, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. It often feels like you're navigating a complex maze with no clear exit in sight. But TaxGPT is here to change all that, making sure you never overpay again. Imagine a world where tax season is no longer a source of dread, but rather an opportunity to optimize your financial situation and keep more of your hard-earned money. This AI scans your finances, leaving no stone unturned in its quest to find every possible advantage for you. It's like having a dedicated financial detective working tirelessly on your behalf. It finds every deduction and credit you qualify for, even the ones you didn't know existed. Think of it as unlocking hidden savings that were previously out of reach, and it keeps up with the latest tax laws, a constantly evolving landscape, so you don't have to. No more poring over dense legal documents or trying to decipher complex regulations. TaxGPT does the heavy lifting for you, ensuring you're always compliant and taking advantage of every available benefit. It integrates seamlessly with your accounts, providing a holistic view of your financial situation. It flags deductible expenses year-round, not just when tax season rolls around. This proactive approach ensures you never miss an opportunity to save, and explains why you qualify for each break, providing clear and concise explanations that empower you to understand your tax situation better. No more blindly accepting deductions. You'll know exactly why you're entitled to them. TaxGPT helps freelancers, investors, and families, anyone who wants to take control of their taxes and maximize their savings. It optimizes their tax strategies proactively, not just at filing time. This forward-thinking approach allows you to make informed financial decisions throughout the year, rather than scrambling to catch up at the last minute. It estimates your tax bill, giving you a clear picture of what to expect and allowing you to plan accordingly. It suggests ways to lower it, providing actionable tips and strategies to minimize your tax liability, and helps you plan for life changes like marriage or buying a home, ensuring that you're prepared for the tax implications of these major milestones. For investors, it even optimizes for capital gains, losses, and tax-efficient investing, helping you make the most of your portfolio while minimizing your tax burden. No more scrambling for receipts, desperately trying to piece together your financial history at the last minute, or missing out on savings simply because you weren't aware of all the deductions and credits available to you. TaxGPT turns tax season from stressful to strategic, empowering you to take control of your finances and make informed decisions. Save hundreds or thousands each year, money that would otherwise be lost to unnecessary taxes, money that stays in your pocket where it belongs, ready to be used for your goals and dreams. That's the power of AI tax intelligence, transforming the way you approach taxes and unlocking a world of financial possibilities. So why are these AI tutors the ultimate wealth-building hack? Simple. 24/7 coaching, zero emotional bias, hyper-personalized advice, and predictive power. AI adapts to your goals, warns you of risks, and automates your financial growth, something human advisors can't match at scale or cost. By 2025, AI won't just assist. It'll automate wealth creation in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Picture AI that finds you side hustles, optimizes real estate deals, or even lobbies for tax breaks on your behalf. The future of finance is automatic, intelligent, and yours for the taking. Which AI